You're going to do a half turn on the hell. Half turn left. Ready now. So left, go left, go left, go left, go left. Then you're going to do a crimp, Burton. So basically it's stomp and then a Tennessee at the end. Right? Let's just stand up facing the front and turn. Hell. So left, go left. Left, go left. Held, cramp, crimp, Burton. So step, double, crimp, toe, step, double, step, cramp, block, step, again, Tennessee. Okay? Now let's do it turning, Burton, end. What? The crimp, Burton? Sorry, what? Oh yeah, the crimp, Burton is stomp, crimp. Okay, so stomp, toe, toe, heel, heel, block, step, Tennessee, down. Okay, so it's stomp, toe, toe, heel, heel, block, step, Tennessee, down. I believe. Yeah. So the crimp Burton is stomp, toe, toe, heel, heel, block, step, Tennessee, down. Do it again. Stomp, toe, toe, heel, heel, block, step, Tennessee, down. Again. Stomp, toe, toe, heel, heel, block, step, Tennessee, down. Stomp, toe, toe, heel, block, step, Tennessee, down. Okay? Now let's do the heel to the hell, turning with the crimp. Huh? Yep, right, left, left. It's really fast. That's as fast as it goes. Stop. This is the crimp. The slow way is, but you go, block, step, okay? Do the hell, don't turn. Ready, into the crimp. Ready, and.